Some breaking news coming in, viewers. After houses of two terrorists were blown up in Tral area of Jammu and Kashmir, authorities have demolished 3 more houses of terrorists, and those are of active LET terrorists. Ehsan Ahmad Sheikh in Pulwama and the house of terrorist Shahid Kutte in Shopian have been demolished. Another house of an active terrorist, Zahid Ahmad Matalhama of Kulgam, has been razed to the ground during the night. These are the 3 terrorists who have been spotted, who have been tracked, and their houses have now been demolished. These are the details that we are tracking at the moment. Ehsan Sheikh in Muran of Pulwama, his house has been demolished. Shahid Kutte of Chotipora in Shopian, his house too has been demolished. And another terrorist named Zahid Ahmad. All 3 houses have been joining us live. Zeenat, a very good morning to you. Crackdown indeed has begun in full swing. Take us through the latest coming in as far as the dismantling of terror dens are concerned.
Definitely, we are saying that the administration, along with the security apparatus, is coming heavily on the Lashkar-e-Toiba, because yesterday also we have witnessed only the Lashkar was targeted in South Kashmir when the 2 houses of the active terrorists were razed to ground. Similarly, during midnight, the action was followed, and this time the action was seen again in the parts of the districts of the South Kashmir. This time during night, Pulwama, Shopian and Kulgam. They are all connected districts on one with the another. So all the 3 districts of the South Kashmir was touched. One was in Pulwama, where Ehsan Sheikh, who has been active and is involved in multiple killings. If you remember last time also, his photograph surfaced, his name surfaced in the killings of the migrant laborers. And then we are seeing the Shahid from Shopian and the Zakir from Kulgam. Kulgam has been volatile, and just 2 days or also Kulgam was in news because of the anti-terror operation. Later, security forces were able to bust the hideout in which the arms and ammunitions were recovered. This is coming a very strong message to the terror groups or the supporters in the Kashmir Valley that how their action will be taken, because the law is about everything and about everybody, and nobody will spare, even if the family members today say that they have nothing to do with it. But still we see the administration is sending a very strong message by demolishing the structures. This has been a very strict policy of government of India, and that has also controlled situation in the last 3 to 4 years now. If you see the people who have been supporting terror in the Kashmir Valley under UAPA, their houses have been attached. That has definitely got not only the signal, but the terrorism has come down to a huge level. That has definitely been one of the bigger actions that have been taken. With the result, the local recruitment of the terrorists came down. With the result, the drug supply chain got dismantled, because when you demolish a house or you attach the house, that not only gets the punishment, not only comes to one person, but the entire structure gets punished. So again, we see in Pulwama, Shopian, and also in Kulgam today that all the people, all the terror associates or the active terrorists have been dented by their house got demolished, and this has sent a strong signal. This time, all these active terrorists who come from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, as also the administration and the security apparatus has given, even the intelligence agencies have been quite clear that the Pahalgam civilian massacre attack that was carried on 22nd of April, the LET, the Lashkar-e-Toiba, is behind it. Lashkar-e-Toiba is basically a Pakistan-based supported terror organization, but it has also a support in the Kashmir Valley. Its structure is from the Pakistan, but the support for that structure comes from the Kashmir Valley through its these kind of people, whether the active terrorists or the OGW supports these terrorists or the terror outfit. So this time again, the LET who was involved in the in the Pahalgam attack, they have been given a dent. We expect more raids today, more such operations being carried, because yesterday also a drill was followed in majority, in almost 7 districts of the Kashmir Valley, where massive door-to-door searches were carried. They were people who are listed OGWs. They were their places were scanned, their places were searched by the Pulwama police. Similarly, the actions were seen in Handwara, Gandarbal, Kulgam, and other places. So definitely this is an active measure and a SOP that is usually followed when such kind of incident has taken. Because the tourist attack, this has come almost, if I remember, last tourist attack like this has happened in 2000 when President then was the Bill Clinton of the United States of America, and he was in Delhi. And the action was and fallout of the tour was found in the Kashmir Valley when the terrorists targeted tourists then. And now it is almost after 26 years that we see that the tourists have been affected. Tourists have been targeted. So many of them lost their lives. Many got injured. Some got suffered. The bigger casualties were seen. The blood-soaked soil was found. And now we see the NIA is also investigating. The venue has been taken by the National Investigating Agency. State CID department is investigating. But because ultimately, the more actions you take, you are only just taking the layers out from that onion to reach to its core, that where the plan was made, how the conspiracy was hatched, who all people were linked to this attack, where from the support had come to carry this kind of massacre. So whatever we are seeing for the last 3 days, these are just the layers of the onion that the government is trying to take out, to see that at least they reach to the core, that where exactly the trigger has come from and who all supported this massacre in the Kashmir. Obviously, the India at the highest level has sent a strong message to Pakistan. MEA has announced multiple measures, but then we are also seeing the measures coming from the Jammu and Kashmir, from its administration, from the head of the Union Territory, LG Manoj Sinha. And yesterday also Manoj Sinha chaired a meeting of the district administration and the police, where it was again given a complete indication that those who are supporters of the Pakistan, who are supporters of the terrorism, they should be eradicated and they should be busted like anything. Very strongly the administration is coming up, because this kind of attack has been seen in the valley or in the entire country. After almost 2 decades, where we see that the tourists like this have been targeted, then those tourists who have been targeted, they were also been evacuated by the Kashmiris. It is not that the Kashmiris only support the terror and the terror structures. Those people who were evacuated from the Baisaran Valley to the Pahalgam town, because it's a very muddy track, and it is you have to trek to almost 5 to 6 kilometers. So that evacuation was also done by the Kashmiris that time, when later the police took over the entire venue and the administration geared up for the evacuation. But we need to see the both part of the story. Definitely the dent should come to those organizations, to those people who are supporting terrorism and the terror activities. They should not be spared. But the other side of story is that Kashmiris have also been mourning. We have seen an unpredictable visuals in the valley, where we have seen candlelight visual. We have been seeing the people putting up flags to condemn this kind of attack. A silent message has come from the locals. Those locals have not earlier spoken even a word about the terror or the terror acts in 3 long decades, because they have seen a kind of...
That's right, Zeenat. Crackdown has indeed begun on a war footing. No terrorists will be spared in the valley. They have been identified and their houses are being flattened. These are the latest pictures coming in.
तो एक के बाद एक जो भारत की ओर से बड़े और कड़े फैसले लिए जा रहे हैं, उसे पाकिस्तान बौखलाया हुआ है, डरा हुआ है। और यही वजह कि घबराहट में, बौखलाहट में पाकिस्तान की ओर से LOC पर सीज़फायर का उल्लंघन किया गया है। हालांकि जो कार्रवाई सेना की ओर से वो लगातार ताबड़तोड़ चल रही है। सेना के जवानों की ओर से पुलवामा में भी बड़ी कार्रवाई की गई है। पहलगाम में जिस तरीके से मासूम पर्यटकों को निशाना बनाया गया, उसके बाद से जिस तरीके से सेना एक्शन में, सरकार एक्शन में है, पाकिस्तान बौखलाहट में है, पाकिस्तान घबराया हुआ है और इसी वजह से कुछ कर तो पा नहीं रहा, तो सीज फायर का यहाँ पे उल्लंघन किया जा रहा है। लेकिन अब ये भी देखिए कि बीते 2 दिनों में किस तरीके से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के बयान के बाद से जो सेना है वो एक्शन में है। जगह जगह प्रशिक्षण किए जा रहे हैं, जगह जगह यहाँ पर जो एक ट्रायल है वो किया जा रहा है, जगह जगह जो सेना की जो संख्या है वो बढ़ाई जा रही है। एक तरीके से वार्म अप जैसी स्थिति दिखाई दे रही है और जहां पर मेरी मौजूदगी है।
Well, those are the pictures, viewers, on your screens of houses of terrorists being completely dismantled, flattened and demolished. Some of them were even destroyed using explosives.